smoking on some Fruity Loops. Been your block, nigga, do it.
What up, gang, man? It's your boy, Young KD, man. Back at it with another video. Hey, I wasn't that long this time, y'all. It was within a week, you feel me? But hey, I had somebody comment under my video, perfect auto-tune. Like how you get the perfect auto-tune. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some tips on how to get better auto-tune on Bandlab. Or quote unquote, the perfect auto-tune. And please, please, please don't be one of them people that say, I don't need auto-tune, and then just come and record and shit just sounds trash. Even the famous singers that sing very good, like you wouldn't expect for them to use auto-tune, but even they use a little bit of pitch correction. Just like Justin Bieber, Bruno Mars, you know what I'm saying? You name it. Everybody uses pitch correction. You just gotta know how to use it, when to use it, and how much to use of it. Now everybody got a different purpose for their auto-tune. Some people like their auto-tune to sound real auto-tuney. They like it to be right there in your face, almost robotic. Some people barely like to have any. They just like to have it basically as a pitch correction, just in case if they slip up on any notes, it'll just catch it. So it all depends on how you want it. But today I'll be showing you how I use the auto-tune inside of my songs inside of Bandlab. Okay, gang, but before we do that, it's a couple things I gotta go over, like the basics on auto-tune. So, if you know anything about auto-tune or pitch correction, you know that you have to be in the same key as the beat. Now that's the good thing about Bandlab. They automatically put us in key with our auto-tune. If you open up your voice track and go to auto pitch, it should already be set. The way you can tell if it's set right is if it sounds right with the song. And if it doesn't pop up on the first voice track, open a second voice track and then go to the auto pitch. It should most definitely be there then. Okay, so Bandlab is pretty basic when it comes to auto-tune, so we don't have a humanizer or certain things like that. So you have to just play with the percentages until you get a good sound. So I'd advise you to go ahead and like start harmonizing or singing and just hear what it sounds like before you start recording so you can know what you want your auto-tune to be on. And oh my God, I almost forgot one of the biggest tips of all. If you singing or rapping, you have to be on key. You don't got to be a good singer at all, because I'm not good. I'm barely good. You feel me? Like, I ain't no singer. I'm not Chris Brown. I'm not Trey Songz. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? You just got to make sure you on key. You can't be all out of tune talking about, doing all that. You feel me? And expect it just to come out perfect because you slap auto-tune. No, you got to be somewhat on key. So let me go ahead and give y'all a little example. This is from my song Big Bucks. I'm going to show you what it sounds like with no auto-tune, and then I'm going to show you what it sounds like when I apply some auto-tune. I think I had my auto-tune on about 95%. I didn't go all the way to 100% because it felt a little robotic to me, so I went around 95. So you still can hear it, but it's not too much.
Make a pussy draw a foe, like we playing Uno. I might sing to your hoe, like my name Bruno. Mars, I'm whipping the fuck out the car. Yeah, I'm headed to the top, I'm shooting for the stars. Put an arrow in his head, he look like Avatar. Yeah, I'm pulling like a screen, not talking about guitars. Bitch, I'm getting money, I get big racks. If you push up on me, I'ma push your fucking shit back. And that dad nigga try to talk about some get back. Chopper got a lot of cook a kickback. Make a pussy draw a foe, like we playing Uno. I might sing to your hoe, like my name Bruno. Mars, I'm whipping the fuck out the car. Yeah, I'm headed to the top, I'm shooting for the stars. Put an arrow in his head, he look like Avatar. Yeah, I'm pulling like a screen, not talking about guitars. Bitch, I'm getting money, I get big racks. If you push up on me, I'ma push your fucking shit back. And that dad nigga try to talk about some get back. Chopper got a lot of cook a kickback.
Alright fam, so now that y'all heard both recordings, you could tell it sounds a lot better with the auto-tune, obviously. But it also sounds good because I didn't try to go extreme with the auto-tune. It's on 95%, yeah, that's a lot. But I felt like it was just enough for the song. I felt like it was perfect. So just play with the auto-tune until you get a good sound, basically. 100% could be good sometimes. But I feel like around that 95 to 90 range is ideal for Bandlab anyway. And I already know some people ain't gonna like this video because y'all want the exact number. Like, okay, you gotta have your auto-tune on 88%. You gotta be using punchy rap, and you gotta throw reverb, and I mean, it's not like that. Everybody got their own preferences. Just play with the percentages on the auto-tune and tweak your FX until it sounds right to you. I showed y'all how I like mine. At least how I liked it on that song, but it's always different. Every song I don't do it the same. Sometimes I crank it up to 100%. Sometimes I shit on like 70, 75. So I'm saying, just play around with it, y'all. There's no right answer in music. Always remember that. And kind of off topic, man, but shout out to all the people mixing and mastering their music on Bandlab, because it jumped very hard. I'm really about to stop doing this in a little minute and go ahead and switch over to using Cakewalk. I still might have some Bandlab videos, though. Yeah, I already know I made a video about it, but I feel like Bandlab just needs to add more features. Yeah, it's impressive because it's a phone app, but you can use it on a computer too, so give us more options. Add plugins on the phone, give us more effects. Give us a parametric EQ, you feel me? Add a humanizer to the Autotune. We need all kind of stuff. Give us more modulation for our voice. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of people downloading Bandlab. So just go ahead and add more stuff. We need more. Y'all got all this stuff for the people to make beats. And they need more stuff too. They need more 808s. I got y'all beat people. But yeah, man, if they did that, I'll fuck with it more. But I feel like I'm gonna be leaning more towards cakewalk videos though.
I promise these niggas is yeah. You know you spell right. Yeah. Tell a nigga, hold you better, show him what you know. Just like a plant, nigga, money finna grow. Tesla, put it on 24. Put that together in the fuck nigga fro. Christian loops on me, got spice on my toes. That nigga mad cause the main hoe just shows. Been your little block in the motherfucking rows. If he talk shit, turn that boy to a ghost. Bake him up, heat him up, just like a roast. Cause niggas be talking and doing the most. None of that slick shit, phasing the goat. Pull up on a ripstick, shoot him in the throat. Get your little wig split, murder she wrote. Fuck on your bitch and I'm all in her throat. Oh, he so mad, he want smoke like a pope. Dolce Gabbana, 3 bands on the coat. They study my swag, nigga taking the notes. What's in that bag? That's some bands that I tote. I get so motherfucking hot till I float. And I can change it up like anytime. Bring out the diamond out wintertime. Bring me a beat, I'ma eat it like dinner time. Cross out the beat, better believe I'ma finish mine. Yeah. I'm at your mailbox like finish line. Kill my opponent, oh yes, I devour mine. I'm getting better in time like fine wine. He claim he a gangsta, he lying. Mufasa, he lying. Kids next door, nigga spine. This chopper gon' eat up your spine. Hit your little hoe from behind. Young nigga, I'm on my grind. Yeah, young nigga, I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind like a skateboarder. Migos send 100 bricks through the border. Money everywhere like a fucking hoarder. Her pussy water, she from Florida. Nigga wanna play, cook 'em up like pasta. I'm smoking on kush every day, I'm a roster. Nigga, you ain't shit but a fucking imposter. Put Marks on his eye night, looking like a possum. Nigga smoking on cherry pie, no cherry blossom. I'm the Batman, but I'm not up in Gotham. He thought he was cool until I came and partner. He thought he was cool until I came and dropped him. Pull out the shark, make him stop and drop it. Fuck on your bitch, made her pop like and drop it. Fuck on your bitch, made her. Damn, fucked on your bitch, made her pop like and drop it. Russell Race, but yes, I'm riding with Rocket. Shout out my plug, cause he plug like a socket. Niggas be goalies the way they be blocking. I caught your bitch and you know that she typing. You know that she sucking me up. I caught your bitch and you know that she topping.